Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome again in our music class. Okay, as you know, we have completed our three topics. Okay, first of all, Alankar, then we finished Saptak also. Okay, so in that, some basics we have finished. Now we'll start in this lesson our new topic, that is types of music. Already I think you know about this, okay, but we'll revise this once again, okay. And if you don't know about this, then you have to learn this and you have to recite this, okay. So first of all, you know about music, means what is music. Already I have given one definition, that is music is a mode of expressing our emotions with the help of sound, chords, rhythm and melody. Okay, so this is you are familiar with this, because I have given one example also. When you are feeling sad, that time also you are listening music, and when you are feeling happy, that time also you are listening music. Okay, so music is directly affects on our emotions with the help of that sound, with the help of that rhythm, with the help of that melody. Okay, sometimes we can say that, or we are saying that after listening one song or any particular song, this tune is very soothing or very soothing to our ears or very nice. And why we are saying this? Yes, because that melody or that rhythm is very nicely played. Okay, and that directly affects to our emotions. Okay, so that's why the music is a mode of expressing our emotions or humans' emotions. Okay, so these main four parts are very important, that is sounds, notes, rhythm and melody. Okay, so you know about this, I mean what is music, you are familiar with that. So now we'll take types of music. Now what is that? Okay, you know about classical music. Have you heard this word anywhere before this? Yes. So classical music. Now what is classical music? See, for classical music, for singing classical music, there are some rules, and with the help of that rule or with the following of that rule, we have to sing that particular song. Okay, that is mean by classical music. And this classical music have two main parts. Okay, what is that parts? First of all, Hindustani classical music and Carnatic classical music. Okay, so write down here first. What is the first one? Hindustani classical music, and the second one is Carnatic classical music. Okay, so no need of explaining about Hindustani classical music, because we are following this only. Okay, yes. So now what is mean by Hindustani classical music? See, some are from you. They are I think learning about this anywhere. Okay, so there are some rules or there are some characteristics we can say for this classical music. Okay, and we have to follow that rules only. Okay, so for that some for classical music I will further that things, because that things is not for you now, okay, but we'll learn that in further classes. Okay, so this classical music need some tal, some rag. Okay, now what is meant by tal and rag? About tal you already learned. Yes, in before this topic or before this session, you learned about tal very well. Yes. So now we'll take some examples, but after this. Okay. So this classical music needs some tal, rag, or some specific tune, some notation. Okay. So these rules are there for classical music only, and we have to follow that rules. Okay, got it? So now what is mean by Hindustani classical music? So Hindustani classical music is also known as North Indian classical music. Okay, this Hindustani classical music is known as North Indian classical music, and this Carnatic classical music is known as South Indian classical music. Okay, have you watched any South Indian film? Yes, most of songs of this Carnatic classical music are from there. Okay, so this style is means Hindustani classical music. This style is prevalent in northern part of India. Okay. Nearly Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Maharashtra. Okay, so we are following these countries or these regions are following this Hindustani classical music pattern. Okay, and what about Carnatic classical music? So Carnatic classical music is also called as South Indian classical music. Just now I told that. Okay, so this prevalent is from southern part from India or of India, like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so these regions are following this Carnatic classical music. Okay, so now have you got it? What is Hindustani classical music and what is Carnatic classical music? Have you got the difference between these two types? Yes. Now we'll see. Okay, these are main types of classical music. Okay. Now we'll see some parts of Hindustani classical music. Okay. Yes, Hindustani classical music. Okay, we'll write here. Okay, these Hindustani classical music is having three parts. Okay, this Hindustani classical music is having three parts. What are that? Yes, first of all, classical music. What is the second one? That is semi-classical music, and third one is light music. Light music. Okay, so first type is classical music, second type is semi-classical music, and third type is light music. Okay, उपशास्त्रीय संगीत and light music means bhav sangeet. Okay, these are words from Marathi and we are using that word only in our daily life. Okay, so what is that? Classical music means what? Shastriya Sangeet. We'll write here. Okay. Shastriya Sangeet. Semi-classical music means what? Upashastriya Sangeet. Okay, and light music means what? Bhavgeet. Okay, now what is different between this? What is difference between these three types? Okay, now we'll see that. Now what is classical music? As I told you, in classical music there are so many rules and we have to follow that rules only. Okay, that music is binded, we can say is binded by that rules. Okay, that music is packed with that rules and we have to follow that rule or that way only while singing classical music. Okay, we'll see classical music, or that we can, for that another word is there, that is rag sangeet. Okay, so is that the Indian music in which the mandatory to follow the rules of music. Okay, as I told you, mandatory rules we have to follow in this music, in this type. Okay, so and that have been followed and handed over to us through the generation of music. Okay, so before this that we are following, but they are before us which rules they had followed and they gives us that rules and we also have to follow that rules in music generation. Okay, so this is about classical music. Now what is about semi-classical music? Okay, in semi-classical music rules are there, but as compared to classical music, the less rules are there in semi-classical music. Okay, in short, that semi-classical music is that the generation of Indian classical music in which even dot the base of classical ragas. Okay, in this semi-classical music, this type is based on the classical ragas, but there are they not follow some rules as like classical music. Now got it? In classical music you have to follow all the rules with the basic basis of rag, tal, tune, melody, rhythm, these all things. Okay, but in semi-classical music this type is also based on Indian rag, but you have to free for your addition. You can add your talent. Okay, yes. So this is about semi-classical music. And what about the light music? Bhavgeet means what? Yes, in light music we are free to add our talent. Okay, we can sing any song with our talent. Yes, we can add our tune, we can add our rhythm. Okay, we can give any tune for any song in this light music. Okay, we can create our new creation in this light music. Okay, for the expressing our emotions. Okay, it is very easy to express our emotions if the creation is ours. Okay, so you are having a chance in light music to show your talent. Now got it? Have you got the difference between these three types? Yes. So I will give these notes on your WhatsApp group in written. So you have to write that notes also in your notebook. Okay? Just write that main type also and these types also. Okay? In detail I will give the information about these types, these three types, and that first of all that two types. Okay? I will give that information in your WhatsApp group. Okay? And we'll take next session in next video. Okay? Till that, thank you so much.